ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So my suggestion is, try to read the problem, try to read the condition one after and once again if you do not understand, and apply the condition one after another, step after step, and then proceed further. Sum of, this is sum, is 1 by 3, reciprocal of x minus 3, reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3, reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 by x plus 5, and sum of reciprocals 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now you have to go ahead to solve the problem. Up to this is little bit difficult, afterwards is easy once you understand the logic. This is the equation. X minus 3, x plus 5. Here comes x plus 5 plus here comes x minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiplication, 3 times x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 time x minus 3 into x plus 5. So I will simplify it here on the right side. X plus 5 plus x minus 3, x plus x is 2x, 3 times 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 2 is equal to x into x, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. So this is x square plus 2x minus 15. So this is 6x plus 6. So take all the terms to right side. 0 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6. So we have taken all the terms to right side. This is now x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6, it is minus 21. So this is x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now you have to factorize this into 2 factors. So product is minus 21, sum is minus 4. It is possible with 2 factors, minus 7 and 3. Minus 7 into minus plus 3 is minus 21, minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4x. So you can write it as x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. X is taken out as common, x minus 7 plus 3 is taken out as common, x minus 7. So you get x plus 3 into x minus 7 is 0. So there are 2 possibilities, x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. What is x? Rahman says at present minus 3. Is it the correct form of the age? Age can never be negative, therefore it is not true. You can write false. X minus 7 is equal to 0 gives x is equal to 7. This is the answer. So what is asked? Rahman's age is asked. Rahman age is 7 years. You can say 7 years is the Rahman's age. This is the right answer. So all of you take down the problem. I will explain the same problem once again. The logic needs to be understood. After understanding the logic, you have to convert the word problem into equation. Once the equation is obtained, you have to solve it by a simple way and get the answer. Here the answer is x is equal to 7 years. Then have you taken this? Rahman's age in years is equal to 7. This is what we have to conclude. Rahman's age is 7 years. Like this you have to conclude. I am sliding the board. Now I will take up one more problem. It is also a word problem. Today more or less we will discuss word problems. In a class test, another word problem. In a class test, the sum of Monica's marks in maths and English is 30. This is condition 1. If she got 2 marks more, in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product would be $210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So this is the question. What happened? There is a girl by name Monica appeared for exam and she got marks. Maths marks she got, English marks she got. Maths and English marks totaled up and the total is 30. This is the first condition. Maths, let us say maths marks x, English marks y. Given that, what is given? X plus y is equal to 30. Therefore, y is equal to 30 minus x. What is y? English marks. What is English marks? 30 minus x. Now you have to apply the condition. What is the condition? If she got 2 marks less in maths, if she got 2 marks more in maths, what would be her marks after she got more into x plus 2? Am I right? So she got 2 marks more in maths, x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English, y minus 2. Y minus 2 or 3? 3. Y minus 3. And the product would have been 210. Condition says that product is 210. What is the product? What product we have to write? 2 marks more in maths. What is 2 marks more in maths? X plus 2. And 3 marks less in English, y minus 3 is equal to 210. What is x plus 2? Write it as x plus 2. What is the value of y? 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. Now the whole equation is converted in terms of x. What is 30 minus 3? 27 minus x is equal to 210. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. This must be simplified now so that you get a quadratic equation. The simplification part I am writing on the board. X plus 2 into 27 minus x. X into 27. 27x, x into x minus x square, 2 into 27 plus 54, 2 into x minus 2x minus is equal to 210. This is x square minus 2x plus 27x, it is plus 25x plus 54 is equal to 210. All the terms I am taking to right side, all the terms I am sending to right side. Then what happens? 0 is equal to 210 plus x square minus 25x minus 54. So, you get x square minus 25x, 210 minus 54. What is 210 minus 54? 160. 160, is it 166? 170, 156. 156 plus 4, 160 plus 50, 210, correct. So, it is plus 156. 156, you can take 210 minus 54, it is 156. Now, you have to convert this into two factors. It is not that easy, but it is easy because of the factorization method. You can write it as x square 25x 156. Product, what is the product here? Product is 156. Sum is 25. Can we write it as minus 13 into minus 12? Minus 13 minus 12.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes, and at K Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Take the product like this, minus 13 plus minus 12. Minus 13 minus 12, satisfied. Minus 13 into minus 12, 12 12s 144 and plus 12, 156, correct. So, this is written as x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. So, take x as common, x minus 13 minus 12 as common, x minus 13 equal to 0. So, you can write this as x minus 13 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 13, x is equal to 12. When x is equal to 13, what is that? Her maths marks and English marks. Mounika's maths marks 13, maths 13, English. What is the possibility? 30 minus 13, 17. Otherwise, here maths marks 12, English marks 30 minus 12, 18. This is the answer. There are two possible answers for this problem. You can get x is equal to 12, therefore English marks 18. X is equal to 13, therefore English marks 17. There are two possibilities for this question. So, you have understood how to do this problem. It is a lengthy problem. You should be very careful in doing this problem. First, copy down this problem. I will explain the same once again. It is not that difficult, but consider to be little bit difficult. Try to look at the problem, look at the right side margin work. This margin is also part of the problem. Product is 156, sum is 25. This is by factorization method. If you don't recollect how to find the factors, doing the problem is very, very difficult. You have to go by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a value, b value, c value, then determinant, discriminant b square minus 4ac, and then applying formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and simplification you will get the two roots, one value is 13, the other value is 12, that way also you can do it. So, this problem I have done it by factorization method. So, before that you must understand the word problem into equation. Word is equation. This word problem is converted into equation, and both the conditions are to be written here. I have put arrows on the board, two arrows on the board indicate that the whole word problem is converted into first arrow first condition, second arrow second condition. If you understand this logic, doing this problem is easy. Monica's maths marks x, Monica's English marks y, totally is 30, x plus y equal to 30, therefore y is equal to 30 minus x. So, with that you got equation in terms of x, maths marks x, English marks 30 minus x. Now, the second condition is very, very important. Product of her marks is 210. What kind of product? Had she got 2 marks more in maths, 3 marks less in English. That means x plus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 210. What is y value? 30 minus x. Replace y with 30 minus x, you will get one equation in one variable x. So, that is what is required. After simplification, it is a quadratic equation. There we get the chance that this problem is from quadratic equation. You can go by factorization method, or you can go by this formula method also, or you can complete it by completing square method also, but generally we do not do it. So, like this we can do the problem. Over. Done. Okay. Let me do one more problem here. One more word problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Square of the smaller is 8 times the larger. Find the two numbers. Now, we have to take a smaller number and the larger number. So, let me repeat the problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So, we have to do this problem. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Square of the smaller is 8 times the larger. So, let us take the solution like this. Small number. What is a small number? Shall we take x? And large number, shall we take y? Yes. What is the given condition? Given square of the small, x square is equal to 8 times the larger, 8y. And next, what else is given? This is condition 1. What is the other condition given? Difference of squares of two numbers. Difference means larger minus smaller. So, large number is y. Square of y is y square minus x square is equal to 180. So, we get what is the value of y square? Well, let us write it as y square only. What is x square? 8y is equal to 180. So, we can write this as 180. Y square minus 8y minus 180 is equal to 0. So, we have to go by factorization method. What are the available factors for this? We have to think about the factors in such a way that the product is 180, product is equal to minus 180, sum is equal to, what is the sum here? Minus 8. So you have to think of the two numbers. What are the two numbers so that the sum is minus 8 and the product is minus 180? Shall we think this way? What is the product here? 10 into 18, am I right? What is 10 into 18? 180. So shall we write it as minus 18 into plus 10? What is the product of these two numbers? Minus 18 and plus 10, minus 180. What is the sum of the same two numbers? Minus 18 plus 10. The two numbers are taken like this, minus 18 and 10. What is the sum? Minus 8. There we go. Y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. So this is, take y as common, y minus 18 plus 10 is taken as common, y minus 18 equal to 0. So y plus 10 into y minus 18 equal to 0. So y plus 10, y is equal to minus 10. Y cannot be a negative number here. We have taken smaller number like this, and y is equal to 18. Therefore x is equal to, what is x? How to find x? X square equal to 8y. 8 into 18, 144, 12 square. Therefore x is equal to 12. The two numbers are 12 and 18. This is the answer. Why this becomes false? Because when you take x square is equal to 8y, 8 into minus 10, minus 80. Minus 80, square of a positive number should be always a positive number. Even if it is negative, square of any negative integer or positive integer or 0 is always non-negative. It can be 0 or it can be positive. But here we are getting negative value, therefore it is false. So this is not correct. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So this is a word problem which is little bit tough. I am repeating this once again. This word problem consisting of two conditions. What is the first condition? Difference is the first condition. And the second condition is square of the first smaller is 8 times the larger. Find numbers. Find numbers. This is the question. So there are two conditions involved. First condition says that x square is equal to 8y. Second condition says that difference is this one. These are the two conditions. With the help of these two boxes, we can see here first box and second box, or first condition, second condition. We are trying to convert one quadratic equation. After the quadratic equation is obtained, we are going by factorization method. What is factorization method? Guessing the two numbers. How to guess the two numbers? Product. What is the product? In any equation like this, y square minus 8y minus 180. This is generally written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the product? C by a. What is the sum? B by a. You can write it as x square by a, ax square by a goes, bx by a, c by a. So like that, instead of formula, if you remember this factorization method by numerical example, that works good. If you do not recollect how to proceed further, if at all you don't recollect these values, how to proceed further, you have to take the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a value, b value, c value, abc values, then b square minus 4ac, whether it is positive or negative, you have to compare. After comparing, if at all you get positive value, you can conclude that the two roots are real and different. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac is 0, then you can say that it has repeated roots, both the roots are real. Suppose that particular value b square minus 4ac is negative, then there is no solution existing for this problem. But for this problem the solution exists, you can do it by this method. So like this you can complete the problem, word problem. This word problem is a little bit difficult problem, so you have to be very careful in understanding the problem and converting the problem into two equations. Both the equations must be converted once again into two equations. After the two equations are obtained, guessing the roots is also a very important part. So you have to recollect this in the examination in no time, in 8 to 9 minutes. If you do it, you will be getting 8 marks. This is a 8 mark question. So in our next class we are going to do few more problems.